I am bald and platinum blonde.
You know if you have one so Kim, Kim and if you have Kim.
What? Who the hell is Kim? What foolishness you talking? You better check yourself.
Hey beauties, happy new year. It's year 2022. This is my first video of the year. So welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last upload. I understand it's been a minute, but you know, I just had to do life and just reset. So I'm back. This video is all about this new look that I am rocking right now. I am bald and platinum blonde. I'm gonna just tell you all about how I achieved this look, how I got to this point. There was a lot of things I learned throughout the process of bleaching my hair, and I just felt like, you know what, let me come on here and kind of like show you what I've done, and if you know you're deciding to do this look, then you would you know, try it out for yourself. As a disclaimer, please do seek professional advice and help before doing any bleach or color processing to your hair, especially if you're not that comfortable. But as for me, I've done it. I went through the whole process, and I could tell you all the things to avoid and all the things that that will help you along this process if you were thinking about doing this on your own. And yeah, so let's get into this video, you guys.
So when bleaching, it's always good to start in a well ventilated area. I'm in the lower basement bathroom and I've turned the fan on. You would need to have gloves to protect your hands. Also, you want to wear an old t-shirt or like an old outfit that you don't care about if it gets ruined. So the ratio that I use for mixing is 1-to-1 ratio. So I've started with 2 scoops, the quick blue powder, and now I'm adding 2 scoops of the 40 volume peroxide, and I'm just going to add that into my mixing bowl. And I want my consistency like the consistency of toothpaste or even mayonnaise is what I can compare it to. I'm using my coloring brush and starting from the back because the back is the hardest to bleach first, so I'll start there. When you're doing this process, you definitely want to use petroleum jelly around your hairline and your nape, or if you don't have that, you could use coconut oil. I didn't do that, but it's okay because I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly. So I'm using my coloring brush and making sure I have an even distribution all over my hair. So this is my first round of bleaching. I'm going to make sure I sit with this for about an hour with a plastic cap. Doing a color check 30 minutes into the 1 hour process. As you can see, my hair is a yellow blonde. So I just shampooed my hair. This is the first round of bleaching. I'm going to have to do the same process again for the second time with the 1-to-1 ratio of bleach and peroxide. I will have to sit with it for about an hour to an hour and a half with a plastic cap in order to cancel out that yellow tone or that yellow color. This is my hair after the second round of bleaching. I was able to achieve the icy platinum blonde color after sitting with the bleach for about an hour to an hour and a half with a plastic cap. So about a week or so after bleaching my hair to that icy platinum white, I decided to use the T18 toner, which is a pale ash blonde. I wanted to tone down that white color to more of a light ash subtle blonde color, which I let process in my hair for about 30 minutes or so.
I got bored one day, started scrolling Pinterest to look at some ideas, and then I saw a bunch of beautiful women wearing this look. It's they call it the bald head look or the buzz cut look, and I personally did not think it looked masculine. I thought it looked beautiful and feminine, and definitely just going blonde and platinum blonde was something I wanted to do to kind of make it a little bit more glamorous. And I think for me, I just wanted that chic look, and it's just, this hair is giving me all that I'm looking for. Because my hair is super short now, I definitely tend to wear a lot of bigger earrings and a lot of lashes lately, just to kind of create that same chic effect that I'm trying to create with the hair, and not like look super masculine, but more on the feminine side. So yeah, this is the look. All the products that I'm using, I will leave it in the description below so that I'll link it for you. Yeah, so that's about it. This is the look. And I hope you guys like it. Please leave your comments below. Love to hear your thoughts about this entire process and this entire look. And until my next video, as always, be blessed, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.